Piccolo, not depressed. He's still building this. I'm sorry. I got so happy. I must accidentally click the home button and I made it the other video. Did she build a different spot? Huh? She building it in the same spot? Nah, I'm gonna have to wait. Okay, that's what they call him. I thought she's doing it the same spot, but she's doing it different. Let's go check. Oh, same spot. I got the Louisiana. Let me see what she's saying. I can't hear that girl animal saying because my ear blocked out. Some stupid girl had to stop the gate, hit my ear really bad. It's gonna be bleeding for it. She says this nest needs to be built. Not only that, my boyfriend is calling me. I need to hurry up on the nest. The nest is pretty fun. No, I won't be like this. So, if you did not subscribe, like the video. No. I had a nightmare that when I said, if you Santa, why would you go the different way? Why would you go the different way? Why would you go to the chimney? On Happy Wheels. And of course, I'm like, you better go telling me why. What? I didn't even say the full word, but I guess that happened with it. Okay, so baby cardinal, when a baby cardinal hatch, I'm gonna steal him. I'm gonna see him. I'm gonna let him grow for a few. The mama gonna feed him when she leaves. I'm gonna climb up and get the babies and leave. And I've been watching her. I've been watching her, you know. And it says a lot. Then I'm gonna steal 3 or 2 because I can't just catch all that worm. The other babies I had, he ate a piece of cracker. We was eating some stuff, so I'll just give some butters and other stuff. So I'm happy that she's getting back to building her nest. I didn't know that she stopped. But she stopped. Oh, you the mama? The one that I saw was the mama of the baby birds from over there. And I have no idea what's going on over there, but I cannot hear at all. So, yeah, like your favorite if you have enjoyed this is part 3. Baby cardinals. And I'll put the video on it. Pieces.